What is going on, everybody? I'm Novo coming at you with another one. Full disclosure, I'm in this one. I bought at 4.5 and 4 cents. And, well, this is Hillstreet Beverage Company. I believe they're in Mississauga, HILL. And the ticker used to be beer, BEER. What better ticker is there on this planet? Anyway, so we've been watching this long triangular pattern, and we can see an arcing effect. So, kind of signaling a potential bottom. And the APO and MACD, and remember, I mean, we're talking 4 or 5 cents. So it's a little it's a little different when you try and chart something this low. And price action is very easily manipulated. But anyways, the APO and MACD are hitting this trend line, and we're just about to test a breakout. So right now, obviously, the high is we need to break above the 4 cent. This has been beaten down all the way to about 3 cents. It was the level two was very top heavy, lots of selling, no bids coming in. I can't remember how many shares were pooched down here, like close to 5 million shares or something. And the bids have started coming in, and the bids have been around the 1 million, 2 million. So it looks like we're going to start seeing a consolidation bull and then potentially a trend change. Uh, Momentum wise, we need to break this cycle that we keep resisting of price and time. And the next target, I mean, it's pretty obvious. We had a turn up around, what is that, 5.5 cents. So for me, I don't think I'm going to add any more until I see a break of 6 cents. I'd like to maybe buy more at about 10 cents. And ultimately, the ATL, the recent, not an ATL, the recent high is 17 cents. And I have a feeling that's doable. But I don't know if we're going to break above that, because in order for us to do that, if we look left, that is a lot of pressure pushing down. So odds are that we may go up to 17 and then come down and test support levels. And I believe that would be 8.5 cents. So if this heads on up and we come down to uh, the 8 cent mark, then I will be at about 100%. Others will be at, uh, I don't know, 300%. And once we go up again, this may be the consolidation bull that's going to happen. I'll just show you what I mean. Arc. Something like that, at which point we have to see a pullback, maybe to about here. And if that is the case and it plays out, our next target will be a push to the top, right? But I like being conservative and putting it there. And lo and behold, our next target seems to be right where the resistance or the consolidation is going to happen. And if that's the case, maybe remind me and I'll show you. Well, I'm testing it out, so I don't know if it's going to work, but I've got an idea on how to trade this consolidation area. A lot of people don't like to trade it, but this could be missed opportunities in order to increase your share count in this, right? Like this whipsaw action, selling and then buying and then selling and then buying, but having a strategy in order to do that. I digress. This is what I'm looking at long term. There was some There's some bearish news. There's some bullish news. I don't see much on TradingView. Please do your own research and feel free to add to the comments. Again, be respectful. And if you disagree, I'm totally cool with that. That's You might have some information that I may not have. Me personally, I don't like doing DD. I just like looking at the charts. So I think that's it. I don't have anything else for Hill Street, and that is the long term play. I think heading all the way into 2024. So never invest more than you can lose, and um, normally people should only invest maybe 1% of their kitty into a speculative position. It doesn't mean you can't put more positions into one asset, but you should not do that until you're heavily into profit and then pyramiding your way up to a destination. So we'll have to wait and see if the volume starts coming in here. And I forgot to turn on VPI. Yeah, there's not really much to talk about there. It's a low volume penny stock, highly speculative, and yeah, I don't have anything else to say about it. So that's what we're looking at. Trade safe.